Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Is it? Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about in this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you, and I don't think I've ever seen a video like this before. So the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person having some type of difficulty climbing down from off the top of a building by using a ladder. Now, in my point of view, the building seems as if it's not totally finished, viewers and subscribers. As I said, and the video also shows someone doing whatsoever the person could in order to help the person to climb down from off the top of that building. Viewers and subscribers, some people find this video to be funny on social media. As for me, I'm not sure what to say, because when someone afraid of something, you know, it's not a joking thing. You understand? But then again, everybody have their own sense of humor. So you let me know what to think about this video, viewers and subscribers, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Boba, turn up, Boba. Boba, you have to turn, Boba. Boba, you have to turn. Job, mind man, make your job in a job.
You see
move,
it?
job.
You see it?
Yeah, look what move on. Boba, you have to turn, Bozo. You have to come down, and if Jaim come, Jaim can't bring the ladder around this.
If I even call firefighter. You understand?
Boba, you have to turn your back, Boba. Turn your back, bro. Boba, turn your back and come down, Boba.
I want to make you that back, bro. I want to make you up here. Turn around, like, just try to turn around and try put one. Oh, reach up this in the first place, my people.
Boba, lock your eye, Boba. Boba, lock your eye. Bozo! Bozo, you want a glass of water?
No, I reach up this in the first place. I got that thing, you know.
Hey, like, you have to straighten up your argument. Straighten up your argument. Stop telling him to turn back way, bro. Tell him to turn around. Yeah, Boba. Bozo, Jab, move it. Jab, move now, Jab. Jab, move now. Jab, move now, Jab. Move, Jab.
Frozen skirt, yo.
Bozo!
You see what I want this little people?
Jab, calm down. Mind a drop, bro. Let's go, Jab. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, Boba. Yeah, Boba. Hold on. Jab, wait. Make Jab come down first.
You must guide him.
Jab, come down first. Hold on, Boba. Let us see, Boba. Don't want to jump down. Take it down. Don't want to jump down, Boba. Yeah, take time, Jab. Don't make me hard.
Say this. I'm really saying this.
Whoa. Yeah, hold it right now. Yeah. Let go stop, Boba. Yes, Boba. Hello, the man who cut, man, Jesus. That me I wonder too. Imply go up there. Yeah, my boss. We might put you back up there.
Holding white tell him. Well, maybe this is a lesson learned.
Now, because me the ski.
How that person reach up there, some people? I mean, why the person even go up there so? You know? All them things about it. Look, I have a theory. You see me I say? Yeah, I have a theory. Have you ever watched a movie or hear about a situation where someone climbed to a certain height, and when the person reached to the height and then the person looked down, then some form of fear come over the person? Yeah, well, that's the type of theory me I talk about. Yeah, so me I say to people. Anyways, please don't try this at home. Please don't try this at home. And if you know that you have a fear for something, be careful. I'm not certified to give any form of advice and say, oh, Ray. No, I'm not certified. If you can't tell a person what to do when it comes on to phobias and certain type of fear. You understand? The only thing I can say is please be careful. And as for me, I wouldn't advise to tell nobody to climb too high. Now, I soon move on to another video, but before I move on to the next video, I want to let you know about a video that I saw when a woman grab the man by the clothes, and you know, some things have been said. You know, I don't really want to call the name because I don't want him to think that I'm laughing at him. So I said, but you know, I think you might find that video interesting, viewers and subscribers. Now, a lot of people find that video to be entertaining. So you can find that video on a YouTube channel that is known as Yolande and Rodney's Comedy. See? I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below, and when you click that link will take you to the video, and then from there on you'll be able to find the channel and other videos that are on that channel. My people, the way how she grab him shirt or hold on for the part and close, my people, me the real and true have to talk about that video. You know, there's a screenshot of the video right there. Yeah, so after you're finished watching this video, remember to go and check out that video. Alright? Alright, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between a certain number of persons who you can hear talking in this video. Now, viewers and subscribers, you can hear yelling and shouting in this video, and in my point of view, the situation seems to be a hostile one. You understand? So, in the video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said, is my child, me need to see my child. You understand, viewers and subscribers? So I'm going to present the video to you and make you take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what I think. Viewers and subscribers, I somewhat edit the video because the video keeps showing someone's upper part of the body with no shirt on. Alright, now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Why una fear be so? It's my child. Me need to see my child and finish Patronic and the other one named Claudette. You stand up here, sir. You put your hand on me. Come put your hand on me again.
Nobody not put hand on you. Put on your phone.
No, come touch my phone for your bite.
What the purpose of your phone?
Put your hand on me.
Why you video that for?
Put your hand on me.
Why video that for what reason?
Tell us something. Why
in the video? Why did that tell him for this man? Why you not do that?
Why would you never give me the chance to even call what? Let me phone for the
That's me I say to you.
You're brighty.
Anthony.
Why in the video when the doctor didn't say this man?
Don't do it.
Why in the video when the doctor didn't say? Why you never come see him here? Why you never call me and come see him here?
Anthony, listen to me.
This is not about me now, you.
Your sister.
I want him.
Yes.
You have mental state.
Yes.
Look here, move from front me. Nobody no mental life. You need a life and you need a man. That's what you
It's your problem, man. It's your
yes, your blood even better when you stop spoil and make him not turn up to responsibility.
What kind of responsibility?
Yes.
Woman, eh? What kind of responsibility? Nobody not touch you. Zin? Nobody not touch you. Zin?
Touch me. Touch me, Mr. Boy.
Go to your yard. Anthony, let me tell you something.
What the purpose of this?
You hear me?
I only care for one intention only.
Yeah.
To all my baby and
Yeah.
she always doing start attacking.
So how am I do? How am I do?
Who start attack you?
I would have asked you a question.
Ask me how. So why you don't do that? You focus on unnecessary things.
Go your yard. Alone, come from the big leg here now. Come down. You hear me, sir?
Excuse. Because the whole of you is the same. You, your brother, your auntie. One is the same thing. One is the same thing.
Yeah.
Same thing.
What's being there?
Same thing.
What's being there?
What's Sherry there? What's Sherry there? What's Sherry there? You're right.
Sherry,
It's personal.
it is about the fucking again. It is about the same thing. Boy, I make the same thing happen again. Why?
Are you put me?
Tell me why you are there, son, now. Why you are there, son, now? Where bruise them there? Show them. Where the bruise them there?
Bruise them must gone by now. keep on follow me. Go on down there, son. You know, sister, me, I got me hard.
Where you are there?
We are gonna lock.
Where you are there?
Move.
Where you are there?
To lock.
Where you are there?
Move.
Where you are there?
That's how you try to tell him, you know.
just
Easy, yeah, I'm sure.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Yeah, man, just easy. Yeah, man, just easy. Yeah, just easy.
Wow. Wow, my people. It's good to walk away from hostile confrontations, you understand me? But you know, one of the things we really and truly, me no really and truly appreciate none at all, is when children somewhat become a part of some hostile confrontation between adults. You understand? Yeah, me just gonna say adults, whether it want to be parents or strangers or whatsoever. You see, whenever children become a part of whatsoever dispute or feud that are going between adults, me not really and truly appreciate them things there. And you know, me don't go up say them things that will stop. It's really sad, my people, really sad. You know what I mean? Really sad. But Jamo, this the noise. Wow. Let me know what I think. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.